Libra, hi! Welcome to Mystic Queen PH. At itong weekly reading nyo, April 6 to 12, 2026, general reading. So pwede kang makarelate, pwedeng hindi. Just take what resonates. Another reminder, I will not message you or follow you para mag-offer ng services. So mag-ingat kayo sa mga fake accounts and scammers. Kung gusto nyo ng private reading, just go to my website, mysticqueenph.com, o kaya naman mag-book kayo directly sa aking calendar, link on the description. Okay, let's see, Libra. What's the energy? Deprivation. Ako, meron kayong iniiwas or parang, ano ba yung deprivation? Parang din-deprive mo sa sarili mo. Yung parang, alam mo, deserve mo, hindi mo binibigay sa sarili mo. Bakit? Masyado kang, ano yon, sacrificial, ganon. Gusto mo yun eh. So, kung kaya mo naman talagang ibigay sa'yo, ibigay sa sarili mo, ibigay mo. Deserve mo yan. You also have releasing. So, you are releasing something that is no longer serving you. Hindi na nakakatulong sa peace of mind mo, sa happiness mo. Maari kasing merong mga taong nagtitake advantage sa'yo, tapos lagi mo na lang silang iniisip, tapos ikaw, wala ka ng tinira sa sarili mo. So, maaring yun yung kailangan mong i-release, yung mga taong nagta-try na i-take advantage ka, or for the longest time, ikaw na lang lagi inasahan nila. Lovers, this is about commitment. Some of you are committing yourself sa mga creative na work ninyo. So, some of you maaring mas magiging determinado kayo, desidido kayo na explore yung mga gusto nyo. You will no longer ask for other people's other people's yung consent, ganon. Yung parang lagi mong pinapagpaalam sa iba yung gusto mo. You will pursue what you really want. You have the Four of Wands, celebration, Four of Cups. I feel like meron kang fulfillment, meron kang wish na matutupad. Ito yung akala mo, hindi mo na makukuha, or akala mo hindi para sa'yo, pero ibibigay sa'yo sa tamang panahon. And ito na yung tamang panahon for you. Some of you, meron ditong tulong galing sa partner or someone na who loves you, cares about you, financially or sa resources. Pwedeng pahihiramin ka ng gamit, pahihiramin ka ng pera, or tulong na, physical na tulong. Ganun. You have the Five of Wands and the Ace of Swords. There is, meron kang matutuklasan dito na intention towards you. Malalaman mo yung totoong intention ng isang tao the moment na nag-disagree ka sa gusto niya. Okay? So, you will know if this person is, yung totoo yung intention niya sa'yo. Kasi kung totoo yung intention niya, kahit mag-disagree ka, hindi magkakaroon ng problema yung sitwasyon nyo, connection nyo. But I think you will feel confused about a certain situation with a person na ma-realize mo, ay, parang hindi pala siya totoo sa akin, parang ganon. Kasi, iba yung sinasabi niya sa ginagawa niya. And dun pa lang, ma-realize mo na ay, hindi ko to deserve. Increase in material wealth and or spiritual growth. So some of you, financially, you will increase your source of income, or yun nga, may increase ng sweldo, ganyan, or magdadagdag ka ng another source of income. Someone is living your life. Ayan. So ito na yung i-release mo. Tatanggalin mo sa buhay mo itong tao na hindi totoo or hindi maganda yung intention towards you, na nagbibigay lang sa iyo ng confusion. News of a birth or a new business opportunity. Okay, some of you meron kayong natuklasan or nalaman, yun nga, about a person. And yun yung naging reason kaya naging confused ka about the person's intention towards you. Okay? Yung iba naman sa inyo, this can be literal nyo, new business opportunity. Ayan yung bagong source of income mo. Okay? So that is your reading, Libra. Thank you so much. See you again.